Cages are open and the creatures are loose. Please bear with us as we work to round up the creatures. At this time, you may enter the collector's garden. However, be warned, it is at your own risk. Once we have determined the fortress is safe enough, you will be allowed to enter. If you have any questions or have seen any loose creatures, please seek out a nearby Tavon staff member in a response team vest.
Welcome.
All the way down, friends, to your left-hand side.
Doors. Errands. Secure. And the doors open towards you.
Middle floor. Please stay on the middle floor.
Bypass first. Lock down low. Here we go. Now, where is he? Where is he? Come on, he's gotta be somewhere, pal. Is that? Oh, I don't know what that was. Where are you? Gotta find you before you get eaten. Ha ha! Gotcha! Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over! The cages are open and the creatures are loose! You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at
4 times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados. Y con el cinturón de seguridad
Bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento.
y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos.
Gracias.
Welcome, Terrans. We currently have creatures out of containment, so I need to move quickly up here.
You made it! Oh, I forgot to tell you, this gantry's still broken, so it's gonna be a rough ride. Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious. Distract him already! Wave your arm! Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, we do hope you enjoyed your tour. Please gather your personal belongings.
You lost the monster! See? I knew my plan would work. Spit that out, it's not candy.